What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the JBUDS AirSport True Wireless Earbuds I picked up at Best Buy for $69.99. Are these a $69 Powerbeats Pro alternative? Well, we're going to have to do an unboxing and a first impressions of that today and a sound impressions to find out if they are a true $69 Powerbeats Pro alternative. As you can tell by the box, they've got the power hooks on there that the Powerbeats Pro have. They have touch controls, an EQ custom sound enhancer. They're IP66 sweat proof. If you actually look at the back of the box here, it does show touch controls. So that's really cool. You can play, pause, take and receive phone calls, change your next song, all by using the built-in touch controls. So what do you get for $69.99? Well, the charger is actually built in here. So this is a little bit different of a design, but so far when you turn the headphones on themselves, you get some LED illuminator lights down at the bottom there, which is really nice, letting you know that the headphones are on. So we've got the right-hand side, and of course we have the left-hand side here. These are actually pretty comfortable. They're easy to put on. Okay, so thankfully I consulted the user manual. You have to press and hold the button on the right-hand side of the touch control for 3 seconds, and they should come right up, which they did. So we've got the JLAB JBUDS AirSport connected. Battery is at medium. A little voice comes up on the inside. Let's go ahead and see what these bad boys sound like. Okay guys, so the verdict is in on the JLAB JBUDS AirSport True Wireless Earbuds. These are absolutely phenomenal for $69. The touch controls are amazing on them. I've never used a pair of inexpensive earbuds with such good touch controls. They stay in your ear very nicely thanks to that power hook. And like I said, those touch controls work just flawlessly. I mean, and every single one of them works well. So you get volume up, single tap, play, pause, double tap, track forward, press and hold 1 second, answer a call, single tap, hang up a call, double tap. All this is on the right earbud, by the way. Be aware mode, triple tap. So to turn that on and off, you triple tap. And to power on, you press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Top quality touch controls. You're gonna get sound quality that's really good, that matches the AirPods. You're gonna get a pretty stylish charging case, one that holds a lot of battery, one that's lightweight, and one that's just, you know, it's just a simple black charging case. That says JLAB on it. You really cannot go wrong with these earbuds. Probably the best value earbuds I've had on this channel so far. A couple of inconveniences, like I said, but overall for $69, these are an amazing pair of sport wireless earbuds. So it's looking like the JBUDS AirSport True Wireless Earbuds by JLAB are a Powerbeats Pro alternative. I picked them up at Best Buy, which makes them a big box good. You can too for $69. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.